this case, I'm just going to use an easy solder. I'm going to flux the solder, make that nice and flowable when it's heated, and it'll also keep it nice and clean. I'm going to light my torch again, same principle. Light your lighter or your match, hold it in the opening, bring up your temperature. Now I'm going to put a bit more heat on this article so that when I solder it fairly quickly. Now to solder this, I've just slightly overlapped my ring over the edge of my fire brick. This will just allow me to get some heat in underneath the joint as well. Warm up the whole ring. And the first thing that you'll notice is that the water in the flux will start to evaporate. Keep heating that until the actual flux goes into a powdery solution. And once that happens, all the moisture is gone. You keep heating it until the actual flux then turns into a clear, glassy paste. That's about the time you bring your solder down. I'm going to place my solder on top of my joint, and I feed in as much solder as I need to close my joint.